Windows 11 just changed a hidden setting that most people never even notice. But if you're a developer, tester, or even someone who installs apps manually, this matters. Microsoft has redesigned the developer mode dialog, and today I'll show you exactly what changed, where to find it, and whether you should care. Let's start simple. What is developer mode? A developer mode in Windows 11 is a special setting that allows you to install apps from outside the Microsoft Store, called sideloading, test your own apps, use advanced developer tools, enable features like device portal or SSH access. Normally, Windows blocks unknown apps for security, but developer mode removes that restriction, giving you more control. First, open Settings. You can press Windows plus I or click the Start menu and select Settings. Step 2. Go to Privacy and Security. From the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Step 3. Open Developer Mode. Scroll down, and here you'll see Developer Mode. Click on it to access the setting. Step 4. Turn on Developer Mode. New dialog appears. When you turn it on, this is where the change happens. This dialog box used to look outdated, almost like it belonged to older versions of Windows. But now, Microsoft has redesigned it. Here's what changed. The design now matches Windows 11 dialog, and while it looks small, it's part of a much bigger design shift. Let me show you exactly what changed, where to find it, and whether you should even care. Let's take a closer look at what's actually new. First, the overall design is cleaner. You'll notice rounded corners, smoother layout, and better spacing. Second, the text is easier to read. The message is clearer and more structured. Third, the buttons look more modern. They match the rest of Windows 11's fluent design system. And finally, everything just feels more consistent with the Settings app. But here's the important part. Nothing changed in how developer mode works. It's the same feature, just with a better, more modern look. So why did Microsoft even bother updating this? The answer is simple: consistency. Windows 11 is slowly removing old UI elements and replacing them with modern ones. Even small dialogues like this matter, because when everything looks consistent, the system feels more polished. This change is part of a bigger effort to modernize Windows, not just add new features, but improve the overall experience. Now let's talk about who actually needs developer mode. You should consider using it if you're developing apps, you're testing software, you install apps from outside official stores, you use advanced tools like ADB or Windows Subsystem for Linux. In these cases, developer mode is very useful, but for regular users, it's usually not necessary. If you mainly use your computer for everyday tasks like browsing, watching videos, or office work, you can safely ignore this setting. In fact, turning it on without a reason isn't recommended. It slightly reduces some security protections because it allows apps from unknown sources. So if you don't need it, it's better to leave it turned off. So here's the final takeaway. Windows 11 didn't introduce a new feature here. It simply refreshed how developer mode looks. A small visual change, but part of a much bigger move toward a cleaner and more modern Windows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want more hidden Windows features explained simply, check out the next video.